Hi, I'm Jeff Fretz. Welcome to Axiory's news broadcast. Here's the latest high-impact market news for the week ending in February 3rd. While some volatility was seen in the markets last week, the overall trend didn't change. Euro strength and yen weakness continue to dominate. There are plenty of news connected to U.S. Fed. It maintained the pace of asset purchases at $85 billion and left the policy rate unchanged near 0%. There were few changes in the policy statement, yet policymakers noted that growth in economic activity paused in recent months, suggesting the monetary stance should remain accommodative. Eurozone strength is a clear indication of continuous improvement in confidence in the Eurozone. Another clear indication was that Italy sold maximum target of 6.5 billion euro in 5 and 10-year bonds with steeply lower yields. The smoothness of the auction showed markets are calm regarding situation in Italy, even though they're just over 3 weeks before important parliamentary election. And now the most important upcoming fundamental news for the week starting February 4th, selected for you according to market movement significance. In the week ahead, investors will be anticipating the outcome of upcoming policy meetings by the ECB and Bank of England, while U.S. data on service sector activity will also be in focus. On Tuesday, the Institute of Supply Management is going to publish a report on U.S. service sector activity. Thursday, the BOE is to announce its benchmark interest rate. Later on, the ECB is going to announce its benchmark interest rate, and the announcement is to be followed by a post-policy meeting press conference with the President Mario Draghi. The euro hit fresh 14-month highs against the dollar on Friday, as expectation for more easing by the Federal Reserve remained intact following U.S. jobs data. While upbeat economic data boosted demand for single currency, the data reinforced expectations that the Federal Reserve would continue to maintain its quantitative easing program. At the conclusion of its policy meeting on Wednesday, the Fed said it would continue easing if the outlook for the labor markets does not improve substantially, and reiterated that it will continue to hold interest rates close to zero until the unemployment rate falls below 6.5%. The dollar rallied more than 1% against the yen on Friday, hitting more than 2.5-year highs. Except the data mentioned before, the yen remained broadly weaker amid expectations that Japanese Prime Minister Shinzo Abe would keep up pressure on the BOJ to step up easing measures to combat deflation. On Thursday, Prime Minister rejected criticism that Japan's fiscal and monetary stimulus program was aimed at weakening the yen, saying that measures were aimed at tackling deflation. Finishing up our broadcast is the MultiTrader section. Each week we present a strategy with its description and current trading details to support your investment decisions. Today's MultiTrader strategy is Mohamed Investor FX1, which is one of the average risk strategies. It made a 3.58% profit last week, and today we have chosen its percentage of winning trades and average win-loss ratio to give you more insight into its performance characteristics. This strategy has won 52% of the 81 trades made in the last 3 months, with an average win-to-loss ratio of 1.35. All of the strategies with information about performance and other characteristics can be found on our website. So that's it for today. Tune in next week for more in-depth currency news that matters to you. And also, don't forget to check us out on Facebook and Twitter and like us. Goodbye.